Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to get promo code deals for Birkenstock. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to open up my web browser, head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box here, I'm going to type in Birkenstock promo code deals, and then I'm going to hit search. And then we've got a whole list of third-party sites we can go check out promo code deals. So we got some good ones here from Coupon Follow. We've got 50% off. We got We Thrift It, Coupon.today, Worth the Penny. So these are all the big players offering promo code deals. But one I'd really like to go to is Coupon Follow. So I'm going to jump into here. These coupon deals, promo code deals, do change daily or weekly, and they do expire after a certain amount of days or weeks being active. So be mindful of that. So if it's expired, just go ahead and check out a different deal. So for this one here, I'm going to click on 50% off with your purchase. So now to activate this code, what we want to do is go ahead and copy this code here and paste this at Birkenstock to receive 50% off your purchase.